Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. In this video, we'll be looking at laws of indices, but we are looking at a specific law which says it's called the change of base rule. The change of base rule. Sometimes we'll have some logarithm problem that it becomes very impossible for us to solve. So we can apply this change of base rule to solve such kind of problem. So for instance, we'll have log a to base b, and it becomes so very impossible for us to simplify this using all those previous laws we have discussed in our previous videos. You can change the base to a convenient base, but the base must be, the new base must be greater than 1. So we have here base c, which we have here, and then we have a here and then b there. Then doing this, you may be able to simplify the problem, or you can even use your calculator to press it on your logarithm tables to solve the problem. Okay, so we'll apply this law now to solve this problem. But remember, your a, b, and c must be greater than 0, and with b and c not equal to 1. So b and c should not be equal to 1. They can be greater than 1. Okay. Alright, so we'll solve this problem here. Solve for s. We have log 2. Log s to base 2 is equals to log 15 to base 8. Now if you look at the right hand side, it's quite very difficult for us to simplify the right hand side using all of those previous laws we have discussed. So we can say, let's say solution log s to base 2 is equals to log 15 to base 8. Now looking at the right hand side, we already know it's quite difficult for us to simplify this using all our previous laws. So what we are going to do, we are going to change the base of this logarithm. We are going to apply change of base here. We are going to apply change of base here. So we'll change the base to base 2 to look at our left hand side. So here still remains log 2. So we are going to change the base to log 2 15 over log 2 8. So we have changed the base from 8 to base 2 to also match with what we have on the left hand side. And then here we have 8 and 15 and 8, just as we did here from the law. Okay. Next, we'll try to simplify this now. So here we have log s to base 2 is equal to log 2 to 15, that is log 15 to base 2. We can simplify this to be log 2, and 8 is 2 raised to the power of 3. 8 is 2 raised to the power of 3. And this gives us log 2 to 15 over, now remember the law that says log AM is equals to M. I showed you this law in our previous video. You can go back and look at it. Log AM is equals to M. So that implies that log 2 to 3 will be equal to 3. So please don't forget the laws as we use them. Okay, so we can rewrite this to be log 2 to x is equals to 1 over 3 log 2 to 15. Okay, so 1 over 3 just what you have here is what is written in this form. Okay. Also remember the law that says C log AB can be written as log ABC. Remember that? That C log AB can be written as log ABC. Okay? So if we apply this law from the laws we learned in our previous videos, we are going to say that here is log 2x is equal to, now this 1 over 3 will come here, so we have log 2 15 1 over 3. So I can clean this up so that our work will look neat. Okay, so we have this, the 1 over 3 comes up here now, so we have this. Now comparing both sides of the equation, here is log 2, here is log 2. It must be that x is equal to 15 raised to the power of 3. Okay, so the whole of here should be equal to the whole of here. And then writing this mathematically in a proper form can be the cube root of 15. So you can stop here, that's the answer. So you see that with the help of change of base, we've been able to simplify this problem. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to comment on this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.